Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for August 10th, 2015. And we look for a system coming in from the west that's going to have first a warm front coming through, and then a cold front will follow it. The cold front out ahead of that will have a decent amount of showers and possibly some heavy rainfall, localized heavy rainfall, and maybe a few embedded thunderstorms as well. But today, during the day, we're going to have the warm front come through here. Not a lot going on here, though. The focus of this activity will primarily be in the western counties here. So we're not expecting much of this anything to happen in extreme eastern PA, New Jersey, Delaware. But again, this is just along the warm front here, in association with this area of low pressure. So we're going to go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar, just show you a few of those isolated showers. This is looking at mid-morning here, and then we go a little bit further in time from this point, and you can see this just lifts up to the northeast with that warm front. So I would say that just the shower activity would be early, very early in the morning, possibly, and then behind that warm front you might have a few isolated showers and pop up in the afternoon and early evening as well. These will generally be light, very hit or miss. The concentration of this precipitation moving from the west here will arrive in maybe late evening or around midnight here in our western zones, but you can see that it really gets going, gets organized, and that will be in the overnight hours. I think our heaviest time frame for this to occur, for any rain to fall, would probably be about a little after midnight, all up into early Tuesday morning, probably about 8 o'clock or so. And then this will start moving away here and start tapering off at that point with just a few leftover showers. Now, if we do get any clearing here on Tuesday, which I really do think we will, some of the models are now starting to indicate that after we get that clearing period, that some thunderstorms will form behind here before the actual front moves through, because we have some increase in stability with the heat, sun coming back out. If that does in fact occur, we could be looking at some thunderstorms late in the afternoon or early evening on Tuesday. Not completely sold on this idea just yet, though, so we'll check back on that on Tuesday. And here's a look at back at the global models, what we're looking at. As this system comes through overnight, here's your showers and thunderstorms very early Tuesday morning. Here's that ending, and then again, the global models, some of the global models are showing some scattered thunderstorms coming up here. This will really only be popping here ahead of this cold front if the sun comes out, it looks like. So that's going to be kind of predicated on whether this occurs or not. Here is the front sitting back here like this. Once that pushes through, then we will be clearing out for good behind this frontal boundary. And we go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Just going to be very nice days here, mostly sunny skies. And we are expecting lower humidity with the northwest wind here both Wednesday and Thursday. And then we get into Friday, where the winds are going to shift to the southwest. What that's going to do is allow the warmer temperatures to increase, maybe a little bit increase of humidity as well. Whereas Wednesday and Thursday will be low humidity days because you have the northwesterly wind, and it'll be a lot more refreshing. This will hang into Saturday as well. We are going to have another cold front come through here Saturday. Won't even really notice it for most areas here as this is coming through. It's probably any precipitation that comes through at all would favor our northern and northwestern counties, maybe an isolated thunderstorm up in these areas, but further southeast, probably to see a partly cloudy day as opposed to mostly sunny like we've seen Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So just a few increases, a few more clouds in the sky on Saturday, but most areas are dry and we're not looking at anything whatsoever. And then we get into beyond that Sunday, high pressure up here in the Great Lakes is going to move in behind this and keep it nice and refreshingly, a very nice day here on Sunday as well. So not looking at much precipitation, just the only precipitation we're looking at in this next 7-day period. Actually, if you go beyond this, taking a little peek beyond this 7-day period, the next 10 days, this is probably the only precipitation you're getting here along this frontal boundary over the next 10 days, except maybe something extremely isolated and very hit or miss. Nothing really at all in the next 10 days looking at in terms of precipitation. So whatever you get here, soak it up, because you might be a little while before you get any more. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for August 10th, 2015. Have a great Monday.